Hey y'all, Wendy here from Around My Family Table. I am on a keto journey. I have been for about 2 years, and one of the things that I always have is my Keto Chow shakes. And it is April 1st, so I get to show you what's in this month's Keto Chow myChow kit box. But first, before we talk about this, I'm going to make my shake and we'll sip and chat about the box this month. So I already made the strawberry shake with a little bit of butter, and then I have ice in my blender. Makes it more milkshakey, and I absolutely love it. So let me just get this going, and then I'll show you how I drink it. All right. So it is thick and creamy like a milkshake. Well, it is a milkshake. And so I just pour it back into my cup. So this shake I made with 4 tablespoons of butter and about a cup and a half of water, and let it sit for about 6 hours, or overnight's even better if you can. And I blended it up with about 2 cups of ice, put it back into my cup. And then, just because I can, I'm going to give it a little bit of whipped cream. This is the sugar-free whipped cream. Makes it more decadent. And then I buy these giant milkshake straws at Amazon. Perfect. There's my lunch. So let's go have a seat and talk about Keto Chow. I have my lunch here. It's my strawberry keto chow shake and the April myChow surprise kit box that I can't wait to unbox and show you what's inside. All I've done is slit the top. I don't even know what's inside yet. So let's take a look together. Oh, my paperwork. All right, first up in our box here it is. And first thing I see is pistachio. My friend's son steals this from me every time. He loves it so much. My daughter also loves it, and I can't wait to share with them. Chocolate peanut butter. This is like drinking a Snickers. It is so good. Lemon meringue, one of my favorites to turn into pudding or just drink on a hot summer day. Ooh, pina colada. I took this one on our vacation recently, and when everybody else was drinking real pina coladas, I had my pina colada keto chow, and it was just the same. A couple of orange creamsicle or orange cream. Those are delicious as well. Root beer floats. This actually more is like the little root beer barrel candies instead of an actual root beer float, but I love the root beer candies, so this one's one of my favorites. Caramel macchiato, delicious in your coffee in the morning. You can just do a big cup of coffee and blend this in. Oh, so good. Oh, speaking of, here's strawberry, which is what's in my cup. It is so good. And oh, the big bag. Chocolate toffee. This is another good one that you can add to coffee if you're into coffee. If not, it's great by itself. I also like to turn this one into the milkshakes. Really, really good. All right. And the other thing you get in the surprise boxes are the recipe cards, which you can only get with the boxes. Let's see what's in here today. Ooh, root beer float cake, spice cake. I don't even know what these are. Chocolate orange mousse. I love chocolate and orange together. That is a delicious combination. Chocolate toffee pudding cake. Ooh, is that? Oh, that looks so good. It has a toffee sauce that goes with it. That I think we might make this weekend. All right, next up is strawberry cupcakes. If I don't drink it first, strawberry cupcakes will be so good. And last is the caramel macchiato ice cream. These all sound delicious and perfect for summer. Um, so that's the April box. And oh, I was going to tell y'all, one of my favorite things to do is combine these three. So I make 3 shakes using strawberry, orange, and lemon. Just blend it all together as one giant shake and then turn it into 3 individuals because you're using 3. And it's almost like Fruity Pebbles or Fruit Loops or that kind of flavor profile. So good. And then you have 3 shakes already made, ready to go. It's delicious. So tell me, what is your favorite Keto Chow flavor? Which one would you want to try? Leave me a comment below. Have a great day.